Hey, this is Rick with Social Good Software. In this short demo, I'm going to be walking you through how to verify a domain name with Cloudflare. I went ahead and already got the email with the values that we're going to be using inside Cloudflare. If you're interested in learning how we got these values, just watch a previous video here in our support documents that walks you through how to verify the domain name. With the app, all you have to do is click Verify Domain Name, type in your domain name, and it will go ahead and send you this email that we're looking at here now. So what we're going to do here is we're going to jump over to our Cloudflare account, and I already have my domain name here already selected. And what we're going to do is we're going to head over to the DNS entry section here. And then here's where we're going to need to go ahead and add our TXT and our Cname record. So we're just going to go ahead and start with our TXT record here. So we're going to add a record. This is going to be a TXT record, so we should have a TXT value. And we're going to need the name, which is going to be this one here. Here's our name. And then the content is going to be this value here. So we're going to copy and paste it in here. Make sure there's no additional spaces when you copy and paste this in. Click Save here. And this is only a DNS entry, so we don't need to go through a proxy or anything like that. So we're going to jump over to the next one here. This one's going to be a Cname. So we're going to add a record. We're going to say Cname. And then we're going to go ahead and grab this value here, just like that. And we're going to go ahead and erase any extra characters and type in a Y. As you saw there was an extra character being appended at the end. So we're going to go ahead and do the same thing here. We're going to go ahead and paste it in here. I'm going to click the backspace here. There's no additional characters, which is great. And I'm also going to check in the beginning. There's no additional characters there neither. So I'm going to go ahead and click on Save. And it's currently telling me that there's an error here with our entry. So we have an issue in this section somewhere with our value. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and append this value right after the Y like this. And then I'm going to go ahead and erase .com just to make sure there's no additional spaces. Remove the proxy for this, click Save, and there we go. So you just have to be very careful when you copy and paste these things over. So let's go ahead and add another one here just to show you how to bring these over. So I'm going to go ahead and go to the next one here. And same as before, this is going to be a Cname. We're going to go ahead and paste it in here. We're going to go ahead and grab the value and paste this in there. This is not going to be proxied. And then want to make sure that we remove any additional spaces at the end. And then we're going to go ahead and grab this, like that, and then we're going to go ahead and click Save. There we go. So we got one more. So we're going to go back over here, and same as before, we're going to grab our Cname, paste this in here, grab our value, paste that in there, and then we want to make sure that we don't have any additional spaces. Here we go. We're going to paste this in here. Just like that, and then we're going to remove that, and we're going to click Save. And there we go. We went ahead and added our TXT records and our Cname records. Now you can optionally add a TXT record for SPF, Sender Policy Framework, that allows your emails not to be spoofed by other senders. So in our case, we're just going to go and add another record here. We're going to go ahead and include this. So this is going to be a TXT record. This is going to be for the root domain. And then the content for this is going to be this. And we're going to go ahead and click on Save. And that goes ahead and adds that there. All right, so now that we have done that, we can go here now and we can actually go ahead and request to make sure that this has been validated. So you can go ahead and click on this little check mark and it will tell you if it's been validated or not. Now this process does take a while for them to go through. It might take up to 48 hours. So just come back and check, periodically, within a day. You can just click on this little check mark and that will go and check the records for you. Once it's been verified, you will get a green check mark letting you know that it's been verified. So just be patient as that process does take, 24 to 48 hours. And that's going to go ahead and do it here for me. Once again, this is Rick from Social Good Software. Hopefully you found this video helpful. We're always looking to improve and make things better. If something was not clearly explained in this video, or maybe you just are still a little bit confused and have some additional questions that we didn't talk about in the video, don't worry, we're here to help. Please go over to socialgoodsoftware.com/feedback. You're able to provide us feedback on this training. You're able to provide us feedback on the software. We're always looking to improve. So if you have any suggestions, please reach out to us. Again, socialgoodsoftware.com/feedback. You'll be able to go ahead and share your thoughts with us, and we're always happy to help.